Putting on anchors is a question that everybody has. Everybody struggles with it at the beginning. I had a really hard time doing them. I finally figured out how to put the anchors on. For me, I feel like it does help just enough to really secure the lashes and make sure that I can go all day. And so just 2 anchors, outer and inner corner. I'm gonna show you how I do it. So I already have my lashes on, obviously. So you can see that my anchors are still attached to my magnetic strips in the box. You can do this with your fingers. I cannot. I don't know why, I just can't. I have this handy dandy little lash tool that makes a huge difference. So see how I'm holding this so that way when I come in, the curl goes up like this on the anchor. So I will lift up the lash and go in kind of underneath. And that's it. They're magnets, so they're gonna attract to each other. It's pulling a little bit, which means I got a little bit too close to my skin, but it's all right. It's not bothering me. If you get it too tight and you need to adjust it, what you want to do is hold the lash, use your tool just to get a couple of the hairs from the anchor and pull, or you can use your fingernail, hold the lash and scrape the anchor off. But I think I got it on good, so I'm not gonna worry about it. So now I'm gonna do my inner corner. This is where I always mess up. I have issues with my inner corner. Here we go, let's try it. And there we go. Ha, I got it on the first try. So now we've done my, which side is this? My right eye. Let's do my left eye now. Hold my lash up. There we go. I mean, it pops right on there. Like, you don't have to do a whole lot. My lash is not sticking. I don't think I have quite enough liner right in here, so I'm going to add just a bit more to make sure it really sticks, because it shouldn't be coming loose like that. Problem solved. So now that I fixed that, there we go. Now I got it. With your tweezers or with your fingers, just kind of give it a little squeeze and make sure that it's really on there. Now I know my lashes are not going anywhere throughout the day. That is how to put on anchors. If there's any other videos that you would like to see on how to do something, leave a comment and I will do it. Make sure you follow along. Have a great day.